And with the rise of social media, the mental health of teens is becoming an increasing concern.
As Channel 8's McKenzie Johnson tells us, a local hospital is reaching out to parents to teach them how to be there for their kids.
We wanted to take the lead in getting the conversation started with parents so that parents know, what are the warning signs? What are the signs I should be looking for? And then what's that first phone call I should take, when I have concerns?
Technology has become more present in our lives than ever before, and studies from the CDC are reporting that 1 in 3 teens have poor mental health.
That stage of life is such a developmentally transitional time that can really be confusing and just difficult to navigate at times.
So how should parents address tough topics? Bryan Health hosted a Facebook Live event on Tuesday to let parents ask any questions they have. One parent says their child was worried about the possibility of a school shooting.
Just having that open conversation about it and talking about, do you know what the plan would be, being prepared for any of that kind of thing.
Ruiz also addressed the effects she has noticed from the COVID-19 pandemic.
I've seen a lot more anxiety, a lot more depression since everything erupted 3 years ago. The isolation and the fear for our health that we were inundated with for forever, justifiably, but I think it's created anxiety and depression issues.
Ruiz says the best way to approach these conversations is to be direct with your child, but stay non-judgmental. To bring up the topic, you could try saying, "I've noticed you haven't seemed like yourself lately. How can I help?"
Sometimes we don't think that they want to hear from us or talk to us, but it's really important to give youth that opportunity and to be a positive role model in that regard and be open to what they're thinking and to take it seriously.
Some warning signs that your child may be struggling with mental health are changes in behavior, talking about self-harm or suicide, and feeling hopeless.
We need to take mental health very seriously, and that there is hope, and there's healing, and that we need to open up those lines of communication.
Reporting in Lincoln, McKenzie Johnson, Channel 8 News.
Now, if you are worried or your teen needs someone to talk to, you can call or text the Suicide and Crisis Hotline at 988. That's there at the bottom of your screen.
You can also find a link to more information on our website, KLKN-TV.com.